talk about how can you add a commit on your Uber app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just scrolling down here. Sorry, we will go back. You scrolling down here until you will find here settings. Click on settings. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and just scrolling down here. So then you will find here commit alerts. Just click on it, then you click here on get start. And here can you add your commit here, enter a pickup location, enter drop off location, enter drop off time, and here can you select commit days and weekends. You click on save, and it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.